we have Priya Prakash, the co-founder and COO of Naturally Yours, a healthy noodles and pasta brand. The bootstrapped company was founded in 2010, and Priya is a certified nutrition coach and biotechnologist.
So my message would be that if you have a great idea, go for it, start with it. Don't think that, okay, I don't know every aspect of this business. Start with it, get a good team, ask for help and move on. I mean, start with it. You cannot wait to know everything before you start a business. There will be things that you don't know on the way. Even when you're 10 years down into a business, you will still have things that you don't know. It's okay. Ask for help and move on. And the mantra that we've always followed in our business is hard work, integrity and consistency. So be at it and you'll do wonders, and don't be scared of change. I mean, if you have to do a course correction, you have to shift, it's okay. Shift, change, move forward. So that is something that I would like to say to everyone.